How to invest in cryptocurrency. Educate yourself. Before you start investing in cryptocurrencies, it's important to understand what they are and how they work. Take the time to read up on the technology and the risks involved. 2. Choose an exchange. Exchanges are websites where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Do your research to find one that is secure and has a good reputation. 3. Create an account. Open an account on the exchange of your choice and complete the verification process. 4. Transfer funds. Transfer your fiat currency, e.g. USD, EUR, GBP, to the exchange. You may need to verify your identity or provide other documents. 5. Buy cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy and specify how much you want to purchase. 6. Secure your coins. Enable two-factor authentication and use a secure wallet to store your coins. 7. Monitor the market. Keep a close eye on the market to identify favorable trading opportunities. 8. Trade. If you're looking to make a profit, you can trade cryptocurrency in order to take advantage of price fluctuations. 9. Withdraw your funds. When you're ready to cash out, transfer your